Hi, welcome to Kitchen Revelations. Today I've come up with a very interesting recipe that is homemade chocolates. So let's quickly start. Here I've taken a bowl filled with water. Once the water starts boiling, keep a heat resistant pan on top of it for double boiling. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Allow the butter to melt. Once the butter melts completely, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk powder. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix everything well. To soften the mixture, I am adding 1 more tablespoon of butter. Now combine everything till it forms a smooth paste. Add butter little by little till it achieves the desired consistency. So finally, our white chocolate mix has turned out into a smooth paste. Transfer the white chocolate mix into a mold. I am using here a silicone chocolate bar mold. You can use mold of your choice. To buy this mold, link has been given in the description box below. Level up the chocolate and store in the freezer for 1 hour to set. Next, we are moving on to dark chocolate. For that, I am using the same pan. Into the same pan, add 2 tablespoons butter. Allow the butter to melt. Once the butter melts completely, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Here I am using Cadbury's unsweetened cocoa powder. Mix everything well. Add sugar as per your requirement. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Allow the sugar to dissolve completely. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. So once you're finished double boiling the chocolate, transfer them into molds. Here I have used a chocolate bar mold. Level up the chocolate and keep it in the freezer for 1 hour. There is some more dark chocolate ganache left out. So I am using flour mold to make some more chocolates. After pouring, wipe out the edges using a tissue paper. After filling the mold half with chocolate ganache, you can add dry fruits of your choice. Here I am adding almonds. Then fill the shapes with the remaining chocolate ganache. After filling, gently tap and store in the freezer for minimum 1 hour. So it's been 1 hour. Let's demold our chocolates. So our white chocolate bar is ready. Let's have a look at dark chocolate. So finally we have demolded all the chocolates. You can cover them using small chocolate wrappers. The link to buy these chocolate wrappers and strings have also been given in the description box below. One more thing which I would like to mention. Instead of butter, I have used clarified butter or ghee for making the remaining white chocolates. You can use wet ingredient of your choice. Now you can see for yourself that these chocolates resemble the store-bought ones. Enjoy making them on special occasions or gift your near and loved one. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.